everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the third part in the mini flower tutorial where I show you how to put all the elements together in the form of a wreath. So this is the wreath and let's get started. Right, so I've secured all the base. I like it to look quite natural and quite wild really. So all you do now is you build it up now with the flowers that you've made. You don't have to make a lot of flowers. Literally by putting a couple on in various places might be enough for you. It's just as little or as much as you want really. So all I do is I just pop a little bit of glue on the back and just pop it down. Again, as I said, be careful, don't press into the middle because that's the glue's coming through and it is very, very hot. You can layer them up. You don't have to do them in a row like that if you don't want. You can just layer them. And the great thing with the glue gun, which is why I love glue guns, is it's very, very quick at drying. So you just literally pop it in and you can just leave it to do its own thing now. You don't have to mess about with it. So you just keep going around the wreath just to however you want it to look. And that's it. So we've glued all the flowers on. All I've done is I've just added some twine to the top of it. You can put whatever you want on it. You can put ribbon on, anything that you have in your stash really. I just chose twine because it looked it's a very natural, quite wild wreath. So I thought that would look better. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you next time.